today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any element into 3D in Canva. To get started, add in your element in your canvas. Now in the left panel, click on Apps or hover your mouse on Apps, then use the search bar and search in 3D Maker. Next is click on this 3D Maker app and click Open. Proceed by clicking on Convert Design to 3D. From here, set the size to maximum and make sure that you turn on transparent background. Then proceed by pressing the export button. And here you should see a preview of your 3D design. You can click on this button to reset the position. You can also randomize angles. And here you can also customize the depth, horizontal rotation, and vertical rotation. And once done, you can head over and add this to your design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!